This is a very interesting custom Volkswagen. Front half of it is the Volkswagen Bug and the back half is the van. And of course it's been highly customized, chopped and channeled, beautiful paint job. Front end is from a '59 Volkswagen, and the car retains its original engine, been souped up a bit, but it has the original transmission. The back end is from a 1975 van. The interior has been very well customized. Beautiful, beautiful job here. There's a flat floor there behind the driver and passenger seat, and then it rises to accommodate the rear engine. And the owner said open the door, so check it out, and very nice. Cool steering wheel, and he's showing that the back area is doesn't function as a seat anymore. It's just been folded flat, so it's useful as carrying various and sundry things. And underneath the dash you get a quick view there of the air conditioner, so it's very practical here. And there's a 4-speed manual on the floor. And now we're going to take a look around the back end of the car. I like those fender flares there. Everything is just exactly to the right scale on this vehicle. And here's the engine compartment. And I like the way they have hidden the mechanics there of the back engine. Has a roof rack, has a couple surfboards up there. And the paint job is just perfect for this car. Talk about a perfect car to take to the ocean and do some surfing. This is one of a kind. Neat wheels too. There's the tag there on the front fender. Very nice.